Okay, folks, got another adventure, got another production to do for you here, and this is working on the hunting property garage. Today and tomorrow, I want to get siding put on the north and south side as much as I possibly can. Starting with what I'm doing today is I'm going to dig out all along the side of the barn here, dig that out and down so I can actually get the siding kind of below grade level to keep the wood from rotting any more than what it is. So I'm going to shovel this all out all along here. I went and purchased some used siding, vinyl siding, and I'm hoping that I have enough to do this side, which is the north, and hopefully the south side also. Somewhere along this spring and summer, we have to do the roof on both sides. This eave over here on the west side and the east side, this is got rotting spots along on it, and we put tar paper on there. You see it didn't make it through the winter, but this rotten spots are right down here on the edge, so it's going to be leaking down inside the garage. This is the other side I want to work on. Hopefully I have enough. There's my pile of vinyl siding over there. I went to Habitat for Humanity in Big Rapids and purchased this big steel door. Hopefully I get that in, because the wooden one that's in there is about gone, rotted, trash, blah. Need to get up there and work on that window, replace that with some new wood, because that's going to start leaking really bad if we don't. And like I said, right here above this door, up there on the roof, that whole side, we come up here earlier last year with Uncle Les, and I put some 1/2-inch sheeting across the top right there to cover the holes that have rotted through. So this year, somehow, some way, that roof has to be replaced. It's got to be replaced. But Pa got vinyl siding on this side, and he's got vinyl siding on the other side. So I'm gonna try and get these two ends done and hopefully make it last for another 10 years. Hopefully it lasts for longer than that, but that's gonna be my project. Gonna have to remove Rio's deer camping camper out of the way. Brought my ladders. There's the hearts for my sweetie. And I brought my pop-up cot, and I brought some food. I'm gonna be spending the night in the garage. And Rio left us the cooking stove. And here's a bunch of our mess from deer season. I think I'll have to go get me, I have good propane tanks, but I think I'll run into St. John's and buy a couple more just so we don't run out. Yeah, this is really bad. This is really bad. I can see the rot right there, along there, and the floor is wet. So that has got to be taken care of. That's got to be taken care of. Got to be taken care of. All right, well, this is the hunting camp with extras. Oh, yeah, there's a sinking generator right there. Forgot about that being here. Hallelujah. So that's the plan, folks. Work on deer camp garage and get some new siding, some new used siding on it. I'll post another video at the end of the day.